particular wine, you helped to plant this actual vineyard, right?
Yeah.
I was reading that on your site.
Yeah. So, started at Yamhill in 2008 with harvest, and then during 2009, we decided to plant one of the only plantable places on our site that was left, and that's our Lakeview block. And it's really high, really great slope up at the top of the vineyard, just kitty corner from Meredith Mitchell Vineyard. And we planted that, and it was, there's a huge sentimental connection when you crawl around on the ground and you're with your crew, and we put those babies in the ground together. And 2013 was the first year that came off of that, and I could have worked with different fruit from our site. We're all estate there,
right? But
I wanted to work with that site because the one thing that I was lacking with my experience at Yamhill was the ability to grow with a vineyard, because the rest of our vineyard is so well established.
Right.
So it was my opportunity to kind of see a vineyard come from its infancy and go through the same stages that people go through, that awkwardness through their adolescence, and learn those lessons along the way.
Right.
So,
excellent.
and it was, very sentimental, like I said.
How is it growing?
So the interesting thing is actually I brought back the 2013 vintage to pour this year because
that
it's my
sense.
favorite.
I can see the color, and that definitely is an older Pinot there.
And a funny thing that happens with the vines that I've noticed so far is that really in their infancy they show really well, and then they kind of go through that awkward phase.
Right.
So I would say probably the 15 vintage is the one that I struggled with more.
Yeah.
Just because there was some heat spikes during that year, so a little more acidity, kind of let it age a little bit longer. And I decided to bring the 13 because it's just showing really well. It's a very acid-driven site, so it's benefited from the bottle age, and I'm really happy with the direction that it's gone.
Excellent.
So.